Local boaties and our own boat crews are reporting a substantial increase in shoaling across the entrance to the harbour. The aerial drone footage taken today at low water about 14-15 hours speaks for itself. Ultimately, it is the individual boat skipper's decision as to the circumstances they are willing to encounter, taking into account bar conditions, other traffic, weather, wind direction, swell, tide and their vessel's draft and risk appetite. Crossing the bar in its current state self-evidently indicates that extreme caution be exercised, especially at low water, at night and when waves and swell are breaking over the entrance. There follows another couple of minutes of various clips taken at the entrance from a variety of angles. As usual, we recommend that boaties wishing to cross the bar obtain local knowledge and also call Coast Guard for the latest on the state of the entrance.